Namaste all of you. Here I am going to explain how we can draw the graph of the linear equation of two variables. Start with this first question, number A. Here we are said y equal to x to draw the graph, right? And when we draw the graph, right, so we first have to make here x and y axis, and for that we have to take here a scale. In this graph which I do have here, I'm taking here 5 small boxes as one measuring unit. You may be provided their graph with the 10 small boxes to make one measuring unit. So I'm using here this one, which has 5 small boxes to make one measuring unit. So let's go. So first we draw here vertical axis y and the horizontal axis x, right? Okay, so I'm taking here this one as the y-axis, and we represent this as y dash. And next I'm taking here vertical axis, that's vertical axis, and I'm taking a horizontal axis, so this horizontal perpendicular line with the y-axis, that is x-axis, and this we represent by x dash, which is x-axis, and their intersection is the origin. Okay, now let's go with that first line, y equal to x. So the thing is, what y equal to x, so whichever point you take, their x and y should be equal, is it? So you have to draw here the table is for y equal to x. So let's make here table. Okay, so at least 3 points or 2 points we may take. Okay, so if we take x2, so y also will be equal to 2, so the point is 2 comma 2, is it? And if we give x equal to 4, y again will be equal to 4, is it? So another point is 4 comma 4, and now let's take one negative point, so minus 3 I keep. So if I give x minus 3, y is also minus 3, so the point is minus 3 comma minus 3. So here we have found is 3 points in the line y equal to x. Now let's plot the points. Alright, so how we keep the points? Alright, so x2 comma 2, first x is 1, then is 2, is it? So x we count 2 like this way, and after reaching x2, now y we have to count 2, so 1 step above from that, and then 2. So this point is going to be here 2 comma 2, is it? So this we denote as 2 comma 2. And next point is there 4 comma 4, so let's draw here 4 comma 4. So 1, is it? So here this one 1, this one 2, this one 3, and this one 4. So x we counted 4, and now we have to count y again 4 from this above of that x counted 4. So 1 for y, 2 for 4, 2 for y, 3, and then 4, is it? So this point is going to be here 4 comma 4, so let's place here as 4 comma 4, is it? And next point is there minus 3 comma minus 3. So when you count minus 3, we have to count left side of the origin, or on the left side, right? And then to count minus 3, we have to count downward. So let's count this. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, is it? So after counting minus 3 from x, now let's count down y negative 3, is it? If we have to count y positive, we have to count above, and if we are here getting y negative, so we have to count down. So minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3, is it? So that point we keep this as the minus 3 comma 3, minus 3 comma minus 3, is it? So all 3 points are counted here, drawn here, is it? And now let's draw the line. Okay, so from 4 and 4 I join, and now up to minus 3 I get joined there. So the line is made, is it? Done, is it? So the line is y equal to x line. So this line is the y equal to x line. Okay, so first line is done. Is it? And now after this, now I go with the next number b. Here I'm clear of this points in line on the x-axis and y-axis I'm keeping same. Now that line which says y equal to 2x is of number b. Is it? So points now we need to identify. Okay, let's see what will be the points. So here y is equal to 2x. Is it? So in x we will be keeping some value of our choice, then y will be calculating, right? So x you keep there 1, you may keep any, is it positive, negative, anything, right? But you have to put the values of x, or you have to put the value, is it, confining the capability of the graph to get the points placed, right? So I do have here confinement up to 4, is it, on x and y can go 1 2 3 4 5, y and down 5, is it, and left and right on x-axis, is it, I can go up to here -4 and +4. So to be confirmed that to those values only I'll be taking value of x and y, right? So I'm giving here x equal to 1. So when x equal to 1 into 2, y you get there 2, is it? So the point is 1 comma 2, then, and now x you keep another one, let's keep here 2, right? So if we give x 2, so y equal to 2 into 2, you get there 4. So another point is 2 comma 4, right? And now I'm keeping 1 point negative for x. So when x is -1, so y equal to 2 into -1, that you get there -2. So another point is -1 comma -2. So 3 points we have obtained. Now let's keep them. So first is here 1 2, so 1 here and vertically above of it 1 2, so this point is 1 comma 2, and then next is there 2 comma 4, so 1 and here 2, and from here we have to count 4 vertically above, 1 2 3 and 4, so the point is 2 comma 4, this one, is it? And then next there is -1 -2, so x we count -1 on the left side of origin, this is -1, and -2 to count that we have to come vertically down from the -1 of x, so this point is -1 comma -2. So keeping points are done. Now we have to join the line. So let's join the line. Done. Is it? So this line is here y equal to 2x line. Okay. And after this, now going with number C, D, E. Okay, I'll do D. Like C and D both similar. Okay. So I make this clear. Okay. So I'm going with number D, which says y equal to x minus 3, is it? So we have to here again keep value of x and its related value y we have to find, right? So let's go with when x equal to any point you make choice. Again I'm taking here 3, right? So when x equal to 3, y equal to 3 minus 3, so that you get there y equal to 0. It means what? The point is 3 comma 0. First is x, then second is y, is it? So 3 comma 0. Now one another point we take. So when x equal to Okay, I'm keeping here x equal to 2, right? So y equal to 2 minus 3, that we get there minus 1, is it? So therefore the point is 2 comma minus 1. So when we are keeping x equal to 2, y we are getting here minus 1, is it? And now I keep here x equal to 0, right? So I say here when x equal to 0, so y equal to 0 minus 3, so that you get there y equal to minus 3. So it means what? The point is 0 comma minus 3, is it? So 3 points we have found: 3 0, 2 minus 1, and 0 minus 3, which are the points on the line. So now let's fill them, is it? So 3 0, is it? So 1 2 3, and y 0 mean we have to move nowhere. Just this point is 3 and 0, is it? And then next point is there 2 comma minus 1, so 1 and 2, so here is 2, is it? And from 2 we have to count y minus 1, so we have to come down, all right? So this point is going to be 2 comma minus 1, so 2 comma minus 1 is this point. And after that we have to count it 0 comma minus 3, so 0 is here at the origin for x, is it? And then minus 3, so minus 3 mean counting down, is it? 1 2 3, so this is minus 3 for y, so it is 0 comma minus 3. This point is 0 comma minus 3, is it? So all 3 points are counted, so we can draw the line by joining these 3 points, right? Okay, so let's join them. Done, is it? So this line is y equal to x minus 3, is it? Done. And after that I'm going with the next line. Okay, I'm doing f number. Okay, so let's erase this. Number f here is y equal to 3x plus 4. Okay, let's make this clear first. Okay, so what do we have here? Y equal to 3x plus 4, is it? So values of x we have to put so that y we can obtain, right? So let's start with keeping value of x 0. Okay, so when x equal to 0, x we are keeping 0, is it? So y equal to over here 3 into 0, x we keep 0, so 3 into 0 plus 4, so y equal to 0 plus 4, you get there 4, is it? Therefore the point on the line is 0 comma 4, is it? When you keep x 0, we got y equal to 4. And now another one point we go when x equal to, okay, I'm going with minus 1, is it? So y equal to 3 into minus 1 plus 4, so how much you're going to get there? Minus 3 plus 4, this will be plus 1, is it? So be very careful. 3 plus 4, you see, you can write there 7 by making mistake, is it? So sign of 3 is minus, so you have to be careful on that. So minus 3 plus 4 will be subtracted, so it will be 1, and 4 greater, so plus, right? So therefore its point is minus 1 comma 1. So when we keep x minus 1, we are getting y also 1. Why we getting plus 1, right? And another point let's take. So when x equal to, right, I'm taking now minus 2, right? So here y equal to 3 into minus 2 plus 4, so you get there minus 6 plus 4, plus and minus subtract 2, is it? And 6 greater minus, so therefore another point is minus 2 comma minus 2, right? So 3 points we have identified. Let's fill the points here. So first point is 0 4, so 0 on x origin, 4 to count 4 we have to go up 1 2 3 and 4, is it? So this point is going to be here 0 comma 4, right? and after that another point is there, -1 comma 1, is it? So -1, so on the left side of origin on x-axis we have to count for -1, and then 1 mean one step above, is it? So this point is going to be here -1 comma 1, and then next is there -2 comma -2, is it? When x we kept -2, y was getting -2, right? So -2 comma -2, so -2 we count on the left side, 1 2, so this is the -2, is it? And then to count -2 again we have to count it down, is it? So this point is -2 comma -2, is it? So counting, placing all 3 points which we have identified here, we have placed, is it? And I'll get them joined to draw the line. So done, is it? So this line is our line where y equal to 3x plus 4, y equal to 3x plus 4 is done. Now I go with number h. Okay, so I make this clear. Okay, so for s number, right, we do have here y equal to 4x minus 3 divided by 2. Now you have to make choice of value of x so that number will be divisible by 2, right? That process 4x minus 3, what we do, so that result should be divisible by 2 to turn whole number, is it? So that way you have to take caution, alright? So let's think. Now x we keep 0, suppose. So 4 into 0, 0, 0 minus 3 by 2. So not turning whole number, is it? So we have to take the value of x, is it? So that it will be divisible by 2, and it's not possible, is it? Because with for any number you multiply, either it's odd number or even number, is it? What will be there? It will be even number, and from even number if you subtract 3, it will be obviously odd number, and odd number divided by 2, now it's turning into the some decimal numbers. So we have to keep here, we bring here some decimal values, obvious, alright? Okay, let's go for it. So let's start with 0 then, alright? So when x equal to 0, is it? So if we keep x equal to 0, so y you are going to get there 4 into 0 is 0, minus 3 by 2. So y you get there minus 3 by 2, and that is minus 1.5, right? So when you give x 0, you get there y minus 1.5. Okay, let's fill this point first, alright? So x 0 and y is minus 1.5. So how we fill it? See, so 0 is over here, is it, at origin, and minus 1.5. So 1 you count, and half step you count down, right? 1.5. So 1.5 is midway over here, is it? So this point is going to be here 0 comma minus 1.5, right? Okay, so now let's take another point. So when x equal to, okay, so x you keep there 1, right? So x you keep there 1, so y you going to get there y equal to 4 into 1 minus 3 divided by 2. So you get there 4 into 1, 4 minus 3, 1 by 2, and that is 0.5, right? So when we are keeping x equal to 1, y we are getting here 0.5, right? So the point will become here 1 comma 0.5, right? So x count 1 here, is it, and 0.5, so half step we have to raise up, right? So this point is what 1 by 2, 1 comma 0.5, right? So this we take as, okay, so this point, right, is being here 1 comma 0.5. And the next point, let's take one more, right? So I'm keeping here value of x2, right? So if we keep x2, so when x equal to 2, so y equal to here 4 into 2 minus 3 by 2, so it's being 8 minus 3, 5 by 2, and it is 2.5, is it? Therefore the another point is 2 comma 2.5, is it? So we have to count it 2 for x, so it's here, is it? And then after counting 2 for x, then 2.5, 1 2 2 here, and 2.5 is here, is it? So this point is 2 comma 2.5. Okay, so all 3 points we have placed, is it? Now turn for joining the points to draw the line, right? So from here we start, is it, and we reach up to here, is it? Okay, so straight line not getting, make it from the real line there. Done, is it? So this line is y equal to 4x minus 3 divided by 2. So S number I may declare. Now I'm going with number J. So I make it clear first. Okay, so then so let's make clear of this as well. Okay, so now I'm going with that number I. So we do have here 2x plus y equal to 5, is it? Now you see here either one of it is getting coefficients other than 1 and one getting coefficient 1, is it? So here 2x is getting coefficient other than 1, is it? This one. So this one we send to the other side, and which y we see single or y we see with the coefficient 1, is it, that we keep, right, alone. So you see here y equal to 5 minus 2x, and now we make the table to keep the values. Okay, so we're going with keeping value x and y. So here we are keeping value in x right here to get the value of y. So any value we can take, is it? So let's keep here value of x 0, is it? So when x equal to 0, so y equal to 5 minus 2 into 0 is 0, so y equal to 5. So therefore the first point which we are taking is 0 comma 5, is it? So you can feel here at the beginning 0 comma 5, so 0 at origin, then 5 step about 1 2 3 4 and the 5. So this point is 0 comma 5, right? And now go for another point. So when x equal to, is it, so let's take the 2, so y equal to 5 minus 2 into 2, so y equal to 5 minus 4, and that you get there y equal to 1, is it? Therefore the point is when x we keeping 2, y we're getting here 1, so the point is 2 comma 1, is it? So 2 comma 1, let's fill. So 2 is here and 1 step above, is it? So this point is 2 comma 1, and after that take another point. So when x equal to, okay, so x we keep there 4, right? So if we give x4, is it, so what we're going to get, let's see. So y equal to 5 minus 2x, is it? So 5 minus 2 into 4, so y equal to 5 minus 8, that will give you y equal to minus 3. Therefore another point is 4 comma minus 3, is it? So let's place this. So x we have to count for 1 2 3 4, so x4 is here, is it? And after counting x4, now we have to count y negative, so that's down. 1 2 minus 1 minus 2 and minus 3, is it? So this is the point which is 4 comma minus 3, is it? And now these 3 points we have formed. Now let's find them. Okay, so the line is done, is it? So we say here this line is, there is a required line 2x plus y equal to 5, is it? And same way you can do their KL, is it? Now I'm going with another line, alright? So I go for number Q. Okay, so I make this clear. Okay, so a number Q, alright, where we are given 3x plus 4y equal to 12, alright. So here the thing is, right, we do have here both coefficients of x and y other than 1, is it? And the thing is, what over here on the right side, which is 12, is it? They both, that number 12 is divisible by both of the number 3 and 4. So you can take any number, is it, so that they will get divisible by 3 or 4 to get the value of the x and y whole number, right? Okay, so let's make the table here. Okay, so x and y, is it? And the condition where this 12 is being divisible by both 3 and 4, so better we keep their values of x and y once 0, right? X0 once and next again y0 once, right? So put here x equal to 0 first, right? So when x equal to 0, is it? So 3 into 0 plus 4 into y equal to 12. 3 is 0 0, so 4y remains. So 4y equal to 12 is what here? Y equal to 12 by 4, that is 3, is it? Therefore when x is equal to 0, we are getting y equal to 3. So the point is 0 comma 3, is it? And do one more time same thing by keeping 0 for a value of y, is it? So when y equal to 0, is it? So here 3 into x plus 4 into 0 equal to 12 we do. So 4 into 0 0 plus 3x, that you get the 3x equal to 12. So x equal to 12 by 3, that is 4. So therefore another point is x4 y0, so 4 comma 0. Now if we are very sure that we have not done any mistake while identifying the points, just 2 points are enough to draw the line, is it? But if you have made mistake and you can't identify this by the 2 points, so be very sure that you will be taking 3 points, right? So let's keep here this first. So when x 4, we are getting y 0, is it? And now if you wish to keep another point, if you wish to take here, you have to take this values of x or y, so that when you send to the another side, it could get divided by either of 3 or 4 here. If you keep value of y here, so you have to make choice so that it will be divisible by 3, is it, so that you can get the whole number there. And if we give value of the x, you have to keep such in such manner, is it, so that you will get the result there, which will get divisible by 4, is it, and you get the whole number. So I'm not going for that, so I'm just ending with these 2 points, right? So here first point we do have is 0 3, so 0 1, is it, 1, and then 2 and 3, is it. So this point is 0 3, is it, and next point is there 4 0, so 1, is it, 1 this, 2, is it, 2 3 and 4, so 4 and 0, so this point is 4 0, is it. So first point we keep there 0 comma 3, and second point we are keeping here 4 comma 0, is it. So points are done, points are kept. Now turn for joining the lines, right? So let's join them, is it. So these two will get joined, is it. You may prolong through the points as well, is it. Okay, so that, so the point is here, points are kept, so our required line is being obtained, right? So this line is here 3x plus 4y equal to 12, is it. And in similar way you can enjoy other numbers to do. So I may declare this thing to draw the graph of linear equation when two variables x and y are given. So thank you for watching, keep learning.